Hey guys, long time no see. Today I want to talk about some of my favorite MAC products. I have about 8 to 10 products here. I'm going to talk about them in no particular order. The first thing I want to talk about is See-Thru Lip Glass. This is probably one of my favorite lip glass. I pretty much wear nude lipsticks most of the time, and yes, even though I have to wear a mask to work every day, I still put lipstick on because I just like to complete the whole picture, because why not? So I'm going to put it on top of what I already have on. So what I have on, well, I'll talk about the other things that I have on. Some of my other favorite MAC products too. Chestnut lip liner. Now, if I tell you the lipstick that I have on, you're not going to believe me, because you're going to think that doesn't look anything like that lipstick. So, I mean, yeah, that's really worn down. As you can see, this is why it's my favorite lipstick. But this is Myth lipstick. It is a very light beige lipstick that doesn't look anything like that, because obviously I've mixed it to death. But I have it on with the Chestnut lip liner. And I do my lip liner really, really thick and do that Myth lipstick in the center. This is a satin lipstick. I actually prefer matte lipsticks, but I really love this color, so that's why I always wear this one. And of course, Chestnut literally goes with any color lipstick, neutrals, pinks, reds, whatever. It goes with everything. What else do we want to talk about? Since I have this here, Studio Fix Powder. This is a full coverage powder foundation. You can wear it by itself. You can wear it over liquid makeup. This is an NC47. I can also wear a NW45. I could probably wear NW46 just for reference. I have reds in my skin. I have goldens in my skin. It's a little different everywhere, so that's why I can wear multiple colors. So that's NC47 for reference. I feel like this video is going to be short and it should be a lot longer. That brings me to the next product. Even if you don't wear makeup, this is still a great product. This is the only thing I use to prime my skin before makeup. So I use this before makeup. I spray it on my beauty blender to blend my foundation, and I also spray it after my makeup is done as well. Something else that I like to do with this, I actually will spray it in my hair. Sometimes the edge control can kind of create like a little, like it can kind of dry and get kind of white. Actually kind of doing that right now. So I will literally take this and spray it on my hair too. Especially if you wear Studio Fix powder, I highly recommend spraying this before your makeup and after. If you just wear a powder foundation, it's going to help your powder foundation not look cakey. Micellar makeup wipes. Some people don't like these. I absolutely love them. This packaging is making too much noise. For me, they're way more hydrating than the regular pack of MAC wipes in the white package. I actually used to pour micellar water into my regular MAC wipes. So with these wipes, I don't have to do that anymore because they are extremely moist. I guess I could pull one out and show you, but I don't want to waste it. I'll use that after to take my makeup off today. False Lash Maximizer. Now, this is actually a lash primer, so of course you could use it on your lashes to prime your lashes, and it comes out like a white shade, but it will dry clear. I actually don't use it on my lashes at all. I use it on my eyebrows. I'm not going to do it now because obviously my eyebrows are already done, but I put this over my brows and I will just take my finger and kind of press it. So it's basically like a brow gel to me, but I find it a lot stronger than a brow gel. Like, it keeps my brows up. So for example, let's say I have a day where I'm not going to wear makeup at all. I will spray Fix Plus, brush my brows up, and that'll be the end of it. So I love those two products. Actually, I love the Fix Plus False Lash Maximizer and the Micellar Wipes for not a no makeup look, because literally not wearing any makeup. But I love those three products if I'm not going to wear any makeup at all, because it just kind of just gives you a really fresh, clean look. So my next product is going to be Spiked Eyebrow Pencil. Well, not pencil actually. It's the Shape and Shade Brow Tint. I feel like this product is very underrated. Most people tend to wear the Spiked Twist Up Pencil, actually, which I do love that too. That probably, I guess you could say that's one of my favorites too. I actually have them both. So what I do is I will use the Spiked Eyebrow Pencil to shape my brow, and then I will use the pen. So it's a really fine point like that. I will use that to kind of draw. Should I put it? No, I don't think I need any more of my brows right now. So I'm not gonna put more on. There is also something, not something. I actually don't use this side ever. I'm lying. I have used this side, but I've used it as like an eyeliner, but I don't use this on my brows. And of course you could if you like a more natural brow. I like a more sculpted, fake, phony eyebrow, as you can see, because my brows don't look anything like this underneath my makeup. So that's why I don't use this side. But if you like a more natural brow, you're free to use that side. But I use this in the front of my brows to give it a micro braided look. Another one of my favorite MAC products is the Loose Glitter. This one is iridescent white. It's kind of hard to see here. It's actually really hard to see, and I don't even know if it's going to show up if I try to put it on. I'm going to try to put it on just for, actually, should I put it here where you could probably see it a little better? That's actually what I'm going to do. So a couple different things you can use to adhere loose glitter. I actually like to use the Duo glue. And actually, I'm just going to be weird for a moment, and I'm going to put it here since my skin is showing. So you don't need a lot of the glue at all, just a little bit of it. And I'm just going to dip my finger. It's going to get all over my freaking shirt. That's all right. Can you even see it? Okay, yeah, you can see it. Okay, you can see it. So pretty. So pretty. And glitter, I mean, you could wear it on your body. You could wear it on your eyes. The glitter actually looks white in the container, but it shows up gold on the skin. Obviously, it's going to look different on, I don't know, everybody's skin, but it does show up more gold. I do have several of the colors. Now, these, they don't sell these at every MAC location. They tend to be at the MAC freestanding stores and pro stores. And of course, you could buy these online too. But I absolutely love those. So now here's a chance for me to use those Micellar wipes. But they really, like, look how hydrating. I guess you could probably see it better here. But super, super hydrating. Like, it gives a glow to the skin for sure. So that is why I love these.